Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a free lead system where you can join today for free and you can get started just in 3 simple steps. And also with this system, I want to show you how it's completely 100% done for you. One of the great features is you don't even need an autoresponder to be successful with this system. Another great feature is that you can promote any offer on autopilot to earn commissions. And if you haven't got an offer to promote, then my email address will be in the description. Then just send me an email and I'll give you a free offer that you can promote with the free lead system. And if anybody upgrades with that free offer, you'll earn commissions. You've also got an option with the free lead system um, to earn unlimited $6 commissions. That is optional. It's not compulsory, and you don't have to upgrade to become successful with free lead system. There's also a Facebook group with 48,000 members where you're going to get all the help and support and training that you need. So let's just have a look, first of all, at the 3 simple steps that you're going to take. So, first of all, the link in the description will take you to this lead capture page here. So, you put your email in and then you sign up for your free lead system. It can be forever free, so you don't even have to create a lead capture page. It's completely done for you, and you're just going to get a link that you're going to promote. I'll give you some free training at the end, some free traffic training if you want some that traffic training to promote. And then when you log into your free lead system account, then you just get started in 3 simple steps. So first of all, just watch this video here that gives you an overview. That's step one. Step two is to enter your website below. So what you do is you put your URL of your lead capture page or your offer um, into the system here. Then you just click update, and then what that does, that will promote your offer on autopilot. So you don't have to create any emails, you don't have to create any subject lines, you don't have to pay a monthly membership for an autoresponder. It's a completely automated, done for you system. All you do is promote one link. And so what you can do is when you put your offer into here, when you generate a lead, what happens is the system will automatically promote your offer within the follow-up emails that go out. And then you're just going to get your email referral link here, and then you promote that. Your referral link will just be the one that promotes this lead capture page here. So very, very simple, very beginner friendly. I'll show you some proof of the leads now. So I've got the upgraded version called Lead Lightning. You don't have to upgrade. What happens is if you do upgrade, your leads will go into your Lead Lightning account like mine have here. If you don't upgrade, it can be forever free. If you don't upgrade, then your leads will go into your free lead system account. Now you'll see so far here I've generated 87 leads with this system. I have blurred out the members' information for privacy, but the same thing happens with Lead Lightning, is that the system um, follows up automatically. You don't even need an autoresponder, even if you upgrade to Lead Lightning. So Lead Lightning is a one-time $7 payment. So if you do decide to upgrade, then there's no monthly membership costs, and then you can start to earn unlimited $6 commissions with this system. I'll just show you some proof of those commissions here. So I'm live in my Gmail account, and so far with the free lead system and Lead Lightning, I've earned $78 with this system. Now, what you'll see here, some of these commissions have come from me promoting Lead Lightning, but where it says here, free members just upgraded, free members just upgraded, free members just upgraded, the majority of these $6 commissions have come from me promoting the free lead system. Free members just upgraded to Lead Lightning. Free members just upgraded to Lead Lightning. So the majority of these $78 commissions have come from me promoting, where is it here? Promoting this lead capture page here. I've just promoted this lead capture page. I upgraded, and when you promote this page and you upgrade, then Lead Lightning is promoted within the system. It's a complete done for you funnel. So you've got a couple of options. You can either stay forever free and earn commissions from the autopilot autoresponder messages going out, or you can upgrade for a one-time $7 and you can earn unlimited $7 commissions. So to get your traffic to promote this lead capture page, there is a training here. Let's go back up here and just show you here. There is a training here. It says here training, traffic generation and training. So you've got training in the members area there. They'll teach you how to promote the lead capture page. And I'll also give you my training here on my best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing leads that I use every day. So you're going to get free traffic training as well. And I'll put this blog post here with my best free traffic sources. I'll put this blog post here. I'll pin it to the top comment below the video you're watching now if you want to drive some free traffic to your lead capture page. So if you're on a tight budget and you can't afford paid traffic and you want to start to generate some leads, then these free traffic sources what I personally use every single day. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video with anybody you think would be interested in making money online. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about the free lead system or Lead Lightning, then please leave those questions in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please leave me a comment as well. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So this link in the description for this page here, just put your email address in there, and then you'll get a notification in your email account with your username and your login details to log into your free lead system, and then you can start driving traffic to your lead capture page and generating leads, and then promote any offer on autopilot to earn commissions from your free leads. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.